Welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a nice day. We're going to keep this intro short because I know I'm not what you came here to see. What you came here to see is my 2015 Genesis Coupe 3.8 with the turbo on the dyno pack today. Similar to a dyno, but just slightly more accurate readings because there's no chance of wheel slip with a dyno pack. And we were tuned today with a stock motor. The wastegate spring is a 6-pound, which means we're running probably roughly about 5.1 to 5.2 psi. And quickly, I just want to shout out Alec Grainger with Remnant Performance for this beautiful turbo kit. Of course, we have the GTX 3582R turbo. I want to shout out Galena Burgess with Alphaspeed Maryland for actually tuning it. And then I want to shout out J-Tune Performance for allowing us to put our car on a dyno pack. Without further ado, let's begin. That bull is hooked on to the dyno pack.
I would recommend you probably switch the oil temp with the boost because it's kind of hard to see the boost level.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch that around.
Just a recommendation. All right. Doing a 2500 to 7000 RPM, 6-second pull in 4th gear. Everything should be good, okay?
All right.
I'm gonna back off if I see something weird, okay?
All right. That's loud.
Got a nice curve to it. Got a really good curve to it. It feels really clean. Yeah. 344 and 373.8.
Alright.
You know, it's pretty good. It's fairly smooth. It's actually quite nice.
Yeah, I say Alec over there at Remnant Performance was making sure that they done all their research.
Yeah. No. I'm gonna jot down the company and I'll start recommending them that, you know, especially if you have experience with both.
Right.
I'm trying to, you know, get my customer somewhere that, you know.
They would definitely appreciate it.
All right. I'm going to have 2 more pulls, okay?
All right. Two more pulls.
It looks like you might have a little bit of knock before, but this one you definitely have a lot more. Definitely have torque come up a bit nicer. Yeah, it's a dip here. There's a dip here, so I'll have the tuners check out around 4,500 RPM.
All right.
But yeah. The boots are about 6 pounds, fairly stable there. So yeah. All the time is still good. You want to look about your 180, left bar, okay. Everything's good with the car? You don't see anything?
So far, everything's still good. Nothing's leaking. Yep, no smokes, no leaks.
Perfect.
We ended up with 300.
Yeah, 394.
394.8 on 6 pounds.
Yeah.